Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Zengo Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Zengo Wallet app on your phone, and then from over here you will find this option of buy right over there. Go ahead, tap on the buy option. Then once you tap on the buy option, from over here you will have to again select the option of buy with multiple payment option. Tap on it. Then once you have done so, this is how the interface is gonna look like. From over here you're gonna search Bitcoin if you don't see, otherwise you will find in the popular section Bitcoin right away. Tap on the Bitcoin. Now over here you will find these two option for which you will have the chain connection, for which you will buy the Bitcoin for you. Go ahead, select whichever one you prefer and tap on continue with which connection you have chosen. Then you will redirect it to their official website on your browser. From over here, go ahead, add in the amount you would like to spend to buy it, add in, and it will automatically convert at the bottom. Tap on done. You can see you have three steps. You have to first verify your identity, and have to simply go ahead, tap on done. And then from over here you will have to add in your wallet address on top. Your selected blockchain is simply BTS. That's fine, and go ahead, choose a payment method. Once you have chosen payment method and provide the payment for it, tap on create order, and you will be able to place your order for it on a Zengo Wallet, and you will receive your Bitcoin. That's how easy it is. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.